regulating healthy eating patterns and preventing diabetes complications.
Managing a healthy diet and preventing diabetes complications is very important for diabetics. Here are some ways to manage a healthy diet and prevent diabetes complications.
Eat a healthy and balanced diet.
Eating a healthy and balanced diet can help keep blood sugar levels stable and prevent diabetes complications. Choose foods rich in fiber, protein, vitamins and minerals such as vegetables, fruits, whole grains, fish and lean meats.
Avoid foods high in sugar and carbohydrates.
Foods high in sugar and carbohydrates can raise blood sugar levels significantly. Avoid foods that contain refined sugar, white flour, and processed foods.
Eat foods with a low glycemic index.
Foods with a low glycemic index can help keep blood sugar levels stable. Choose foods that have a low glycemic index such as nuts, vegetables, and fruits.
Eat the right portion.
Eating the right portion can help keep blood sugar levels stable. Reduce excessive food portions and don't skip meals.
Eat foods with healthy fats.
Consuming healthy fats like the fats found in fish, avocados, and nuts can help improve heart health and reduce the risk of diabetes complications.
Drink enough water.
Drinking enough water is very important to keep the body hydrated and helps keep blood sugar levels stable.
Adopting a regular diet.
Adopting a regular diet can help keep blood sugar levels stable. Eat at the same time every day and don't skip meals.
Consultation with a doctor or nutritionist.
Consultation with a doctor or nutritionist can help determine the right diet for your health condition.
Keep in mind that maintaining a healthy diet is an important part of good diabetes management and can help prevent more serious complications.
Thank you for watching. Hope this is useful. See you in the next video.